Yo, what's going on, guys? My name is Iskoolcuff. Welcome back to the channel. We are here on Modern Warfare 3, and they added a snipers only mode. So this footage is me using the Morse shotgun attachment. So check it out.
We have taken the lead. Popping max. Changing mag. Enemy is down. Dusted up. Changing mag. Standing by. Over. Check fire. I'm on your side. Changing mag. Watch your damn fire. Enemy is down. Sniper, KIA. Changing mag. Standing by. Took a shot.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Enemy is down. Changing mag. Standing by. Enemy operator. See. Enemy. Orbiting the data. Recon is online. Changing mag. Got one down. Loading. Got one down. Changing mag. Careful. Maintain the lead. Reload. Shit.
Ain't no way they talk about us using a fucking shotgun when like two of them are using a handheld shotgun.
Change your mags. Shit.
Friendly UAV on station. UAV
Reload.
ready to deploy.
Copy. UAV on station.
Change your mag. Reloading. Shit.
UAV standing by.
Reloading. Hostile eliminated. Reload. Reloading. Sniper
Hey.
down. Hey. Reload. Shit. Reload. Shit.
Is on station. Online.
Reload. Reload. Shit. Change your mags.
UAV is bingo.
Reload. Change your mags. Right behind. Shit. Reload. Hostile. Shit. Reload. UAV active. Shit. Changing mag. Shit. Loading. Popping mag. Loading. UAV ready. Enemy is down. Got one down. Be advised.
Alright, so that's going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Now, I will say, do not use the shotgun and snipers only, because it kind of ruins the game for everybody else. After today, I will not be doing it anymore, because I want to just go back to sniping normally. But if you guys did like this video, make sure you guys like the video. If you guys do find yourself coming back at any point, make sure you guys subscribe. Until next time, peace out.